Help in improving respiratory system. Breathing in steam is an incredible treatment for respiratory entanglements and is suggested for treating sinusitis, bronchitis, asthma and sensitivities. Better circulation. When your body's temperature rises, blood vessels commence dilation and this enhances the blood flow and its circulation in the body. The increase in blood circulation can offer relief from headaches and migraines. Helps in cleansing the pores and in rejuvenation. As already said, steam inhalation enhances dissemination which can likewise enhance the skin's appearance. Help in the treatment of viral cold and sinus. Nasal steam inhalation has been proposed as a cure for viral colds in light of the idea that improved intranasal temperature is going to stop duplication of rhinovirus. Reduction of stress. Anxiety causes the internal layer of the veins to tighten. Steam inward breath triggers the vasodilatation of veins. When the veins are enlarged, blood steam expands, advancing unwinding. Treatment of oily skin and dry skin. Steam inhalation could help in reducing the excessive oils or gives moisture to the dry skin. Relaxation. For the ones who come home after a tiring day at the office or work could rejuvenate themselves with steam inhalation.